Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix mobile data network problems on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, first of all, just make sure that the SIM card in your smartphone is inserted properly. Now to do that, just use the SIM card ejection tool which comes with your smartphone in the box. Or you can use any SIM card ejection tool. Now just insert the SIM card ejection tool in the SIM card tray hole at the bottom of your smartphone. Now just extract the SIM card tray from your smartphone. Now from here, just check if the SIM card is inserted properly in your smartphone. And also check if there are any scratches on the SIM card of your smartphone. Now once you do that, just insert the SIM card tray back into your smartphone. Now after that, just open Settings, then go to Connections. From here, just tap on Mobile Networks, and from here just enable this toggle to enable VoLTE. And if you're using two SIM cards on your smartphone, just enable VoLTE for both SIM cards. After that, just tap on Network Mode, and if your area supports 5G, just select 5G. And if your area does not support 5G, just select LTE. After that, just go back and go to General Management. From here, just tap on Reset and select Reset Mobile Network Settings. And from here, just tap on Reset Settings. Now just enter your lock screen PIN. Then tap on Continue. Now just tap on Reset. Now once you do that, you will reset all the network settings on your smartphone. Now this option will not delete any data on your smartphone. It will only reset all the network settings of your smartphone. After that, just go back and tap on Software Update. Now just tap on Download and Install. And from here, just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your smartphone. And after you do that, just go to your home screen and restart your smartphone. To do that, just swipe down from the top of the screen and open the Control Center. Then tap on the power icon over here and select Restart. Now, if this did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with your smartphone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix mobile data network problems on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.